Wrong-way driver crashes claim an average of 500 lives per year on our nation's highways. A wrong-way driver is a motorist that enters a roadway from the wrong direction, often causing a head-on collision with another vehicle. Most, but not all, wrong-way collisions are due to impairment. In addition to impaired drivers, being an older driver is also a predictor for being a wrong-way driver. The Nevada Department of Transportation added that between 2005 and 2015, there were 409 wrong-way crashes in Nevada, resulting in 75 deaths. Nevada's DOT has installed wrong-way signs on all freeway ramps, including additional flashing warning signals and detection systems. Stay right at night. The largest number of wrong-way crashes occur at night. Be aware that wrong-way drivers frequently travel in the left, or fast, lane. Because they are driving in the wrong direction, they believe they are actually traveling in the slow lane in an effort to avoid being stopped for speeding. If you see a wrong-way driver coming toward you, ease off the gas to slow down and steer away from the wrong-way driver. Putting on your hazards could help alert other drivers of the pending danger. Flashing your vehicle lights or honking your car horn could alert the wrong-way driver to stop and safely reroute. Dial 911 or NHP to report the driver once safely off the road and away from the path of the wrong-way vehicle.